Can everybody hear me if I just talk real loud?
No.
Okay.
Nice try.
Well, thank you everybody
You're gonna
for coming.
put it near your mouth.
Hold it close.
Near my mouth. How's that? Doesn't work. Like a popsicle. First of all, welcome everybody and welcome Don.
It's not.
We have two very special guests with us this morning. But before I introduce them, I want to personally and publicly say a big thank you to the City of San Carlos. For without them granting us permission to install this rock, we wouldn't be here today. They've been a great help. In particular, I want to thank Jeff Maltby, the city manager, Guy Wallace, Parks Superintendent, Jennifer Moore, the athletic coordinator, and Amy Newby, the recreation supervisor. Now, there were so many special things about our school, right from the beginning with the building itself. I remember the first day I walked on campus, walking into that huge courtyard, which, by the way, could hold up to 3,500 people. I didn't know that. And looking around and seeing the classroom wings spanning out like spokes on a wheel. And for that unique design, we owe a great gratitude and thank you to Delp W. Johnson. Now, Mr. Johnson was one of the West Coast's foremost architects specializing in designing schools. And not only that, he was a San Carlos resident. And his wife, Ruth, still lives in the family home in San Carlos. And she's here, Ruth, and her two children. Here she is. Vicki and Chris. Thank you.
Three children.
The other one was away. So all three children went to San Carlos High School.
We surely did, and it was an honor for all of us to live here. And my husband was so pleased to be here, and San Carlos has been so good to us and our family. Really loved it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is O'Hagan. Vicki Johnson was my name then. Okay.
Honorable Robert Gracilli, Mayor of San Carlos.
I don't think I'll need the microphone. Hopefully not. It's a great honor for me to be the mayor this year, to be here for the dedication of this. I started high school in 1962. I didn't start at San Carlos High. I actually went to Sarah High. But I know we had some good competition between the schools. I also, by the way, have to admit, I never dated a San Carlos Don or Donette or whatever. But that could change. You never know. You know, there was a building here, and there were a lot of stories here, and a lot of memories here. And maybe the building isn't here anymore, but the stories and the memories are still here. I know I have a lot from my school, and I'm sure you all have a lot from your school. And I think it's great we've got this, but we've also got this beautiful field that people are going to use for a long, long time. And it is, I know it's not the building that you attended, but it's still a great, great memory for the folks that were there. So anyway, you're going to hear a lot of good stuff, and I'm just here to help out. Thanks very much, everybody, for coming, and a wonderful, wonderful event to dedicate this wonderful marker and the memories of San Carlos High School. Thank you. Take care.